Hey knowledge lovers! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of iOS development. Whether you're an aspiring app developer or someone looking to level up your mobile development skills, learning how to build apps for iOS is an incredibly valuable skill in today's tech-driven world. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the best iOS development courses. And don't worry, all of these courses come with certifications, are fully online, and can be taken from anywhere in the world. The links to access these courses will be in the video description, so be sure to check them out. 1. iOS Developer Meta. If you're looking for a comprehensive course that takes you from beginner to professional, this one is for you. You'll learn how to create iOS applications using Swift, Apple's powerful programming language, and dive deep into app architecture, user interfaces, and data management. This course focuses on real-world projects, so by the end, you'll have a portfolio of apps that showcase your skills to potential employers. The course is designed by industry experts, making sure that you're learning the most up-to-date techniques and tools used by iOS developers. If you want to build a strong foundation and work toward becoming a professional iOS developer, this course is a must. 2. iOS App Development with Swift, University of Toronto. This course is perfect for beginners who are new to app development. It covers the essentials of Swift programming, including how to work with Xcode, the integrated development environment used for building iOS apps. You'll learn how to design user-friendly interfaces, handle data storage, and implement navigation in your apps. What makes this course stand out is its focus on hands-on projects where you'll create real apps from scratch. By the end, you'll have a strong understanding of Swift and the iOS development process, along with several projects you can showcase in your portfolio. Number 3. Swift 5 iOS Application Developer LearnQuest. This course is all about mastering Swift 5, the latest version of Apple's programming language. You'll learn how to build complex apps, work with data, integrate APIs, and even use advanced features like animations and gestures. This course is perfect for those who have some programming experience but want to specialize in iOS development. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of Swift 5 and the tools you need to create advanced iOS applications, whether for personal projects or for clients. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses, and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. 4. iOS Development for Creative Entrepreneurs, University of California, Irvine. This course is designed for people who want to build and launch their own apps, even if they don't have a strong technical background. You'll learn how to turn your app ideas into reality by using Swift and Xcode, focusing on the creative aspects of design and user experience. By the end of the course, you'll have a working prototype of your app and the skills to bring your ideas to market. This course is great for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to create their own apps without needing extensive programming knowledge. 5. iOS and Android Mobile App Developer, IBM. This course is unique because it covers both iOS and Android development, giving you the flexibility to build apps for both platforms. You'll learn how to develop cross-platform apps using popular frameworks like React Native, while also focusing on native iOS development with Swift. It's an all-in-one package for those looking to expand their mobile development skills across platforms. By the end of the course, you'll have a strong foundation in both iOS and Android app development, making you a more versatile developer who can work across different platforms. Remember, all of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually. How? By acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription, which gives you access to over 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. It's an amazing deal, especially if you're serious about mastering iOS development or exploring other tech fields. The link with the best price will be in the video description, so don't miss out. So, there you have it. 5 of the best iOS development courses, whether you're a beginner looking to start your journey or an experienced developer wanting to enhance your skills. From building your first app to mastering advanced Swift techniques, these courses have you covered. Until next time, knowledge lovers.